Dahil Women's Month ngayong March, hihingi tayo ng kahanga-hangang advice sa isang babaeng nasa likuran ng Santa Rosa. The woman behind the Lion City of the South, Mayor Arlene Arcillas. Mayor Arlene,
yes.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good morning po sa inyo.
Mayor Arlene, sa tingin niyo po, ano ang difference ng henerasyon natin ngayon sa henerasyon ng mga nanay natin noon?
Of course, very different, especially in public service, in the political sphere. I have mentioned kanina a while ago during my speech that during my first term, 10 lamang kaming city mayor. City mayor na babae. During my second term, naging 25 siya. During my third term, more than 25 na po. It means that we are being accepted already to do public service. We are already being accepted to become politicians and public servants. And of course, that is very good to know, because if there are women leaders, then there are more programs for women in each locality.
Mayor, sa tingin mo, ano yung mas ma-apply natin yung ating kababaihan? Tingin nyo, ano pa yung pwede natin may i-contribute?
Of course, very basic. It's always healthcare. Of course, we have to be healthy. Women have to be healthy because we take care of our children, we take care of our home. Women have to be educated. No, so that in the city of Santa Rosa, we have 4 pillars of development. And one of those pillars of development is, of course, a healthy lifestyle, which includes programs for women and for men as well, and for children as well. And of course, education for women. So we have to educate the women para alam po nila kung paano papangalagaan ng kanilang pamilya. We have to educate the women para alam nila kung ano ang dapat nakukuha nila at meron sila.
Paano may inspire ng isang Mayor Arcillas ang kababaihan sa ngayon?
I think I have already inspired the women in the city of Santa Rosa. You can see that even sa pinakabata, no? Not only sa women, they call me Arlene. So I think it's because of the programs that I give to the women, to the mothers ng family. Bakit ka makikilala ng bata? Diba? Kung di pinag-uusapan sa kanilang pamilya, sa kanilang tahanan, ang mga programang binibigay ni Arlene. So for me, that is a very good showing na mga programa natin para sa kababaihan, para sa kabataan, ay nati-trickle down natin sa bawat pamilya. So I think dun sa programang yon, na-inspire natin sila. A lot of people, a lot of students come up to me and say, idol po kita. So I think it's because of the programs I give to their families. And most of these programs are for children and for women.
Ano yung Mayor, yung pinaka-best program para sa kababaihan?
Well, of course, it's naka-encapsulate siya, nakapaloob siya sa gender and development program natin. It's very long to enumerate, but for example, to be specific, right now, we do, in terms of health, we do free cervical cancer vaccination, anti-cervical cancer vaccination for our women employees, and then we'll expand that. For senior citizens, not only for women, we have the pneumonia vaccine. So, health programs talaga naman dapat ang inuuna natin. We have to have healthy people to have a healthy city. And of course, education pa rin, livelihood programs. So, those are very basic programs kung iisipin natin, but it will really affect and make them improve their lives.